Hey y'all, your girl got her Allure box. I'm super excited. Now I have count of 1, 2, 3 boxes to open because I did buy it really late in May. And so they ended up just sending me my May box, my June box, but then also a box of free goodies because I signed up for the annual subscription. Let's go ahead and get into the first one. Super excited. This is giving me like a whole dopamine rush because I love my Allure box. This is the one that I will keep. So when you open her up, this is what she's working with. They do have like the GQ box. I don't think Justin would use these things. That's why I don't get this for him. This is from Maria Nyla. They have a head and hair heal conditioner and shampoo set. We love to get a set, and this is enough to literally like actually try the product. I hate when they give you like this much and it's like, I have all this hair. That's only gonna go for one wash, and you can't really see if a product is working if you can only use it like once or twice. So I'm really excited to try this out because it's like a travel size. I might just kind of keep this in the back pocket for whenever we need to go somewhere. Like for instance, we're going to the beach again later on in like a few weeks. So I mean, I might take this along if I plan on washing my hair. I do like this brand. Their hair mask is phenomenal. So I'm super excited to try this. From Naked Sundays, and I think this is my first Naked Sundays product, and this is the Collagen Glow 100% Mineral, which is awesome, sunscreen, and it is an SPF 50, and this is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning. I need to get back into wearing my sunscreen. I had stopped because I was just like, I'm not going anywhere. I never leave my house. But as I'm starting to lose the weight, I mean, I told you guys I'm on a journey to lose my weight. I'm more excited to kind of step outside. And especially since I've been on my femininity tip, you know, doing my hair, doing my makeup, I want to leave my house now. Just a little bit more. So this SPF will be nice to put underneath my makeup, and the packaging is cute. I love the iridescence. We have Vanilla Baby. Ooh, Vanilla Baby, and this feels luxurious. Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. Ooh, body oil, body yaddy. Wow, I think that is so pretty. Ooh, this actually feels really good. It's not sticky or greasy, and it smells so good. See, this is the type of stuff I need because I really want to make sure that I am presenting myself in the best way possible. And like putting on a nice little oil like this before I leave my house, I'll smell good. I'll have a slight little glisten to my skin. I just think stuff like this is just chef's kiss, and I'm so glad that they're including this in the box. This is awesome. Luna Nectar, and it is the Neptune Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is what she looks like in her box. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, nice. Let's see if this has a scent. Ooh, it stank. I'll be honest. This stuff stank. It smells really bad. It smells almost like vinegar, but I mean, if it's gonna do nice things for the skin, then it's gonna do some nice things for the skin. And last but not least, this is the Selection, and this is the Buxom Powerline Plumping Lip Liner. And this is what she's working with. And I got it in real red. I don't really have any red lip liners, but since I'm going for a more classy look these days, I think a solid red lip is a must. Like, you have to be able to pull off a nice red lip. Ooh, and it comes with a little brush. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, this Buxom liner is gonna run you $22. Okay, $22, you done paid for the whole box just by buying that. The Naked Sundays, and this is going to run you $34. Girl math, okay? This isn't even just girl math, this is just math. Vanilla Baby Body Oil, and this is gonna be $30. Again, why? Why would you go out and buy these things individually when you could just have the subscription and get them for the low? I wouldn't say free, for the low. Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is going to run you $39. Okay, she's expensive. She stank, but she's expensive. The full size is going to be 350 mil. You're getting 100 mil each with this, and each of these products would run you $36 for the full size. I think this is my bag of free goodies. So just a little sneak peek, so to speak. This is what she's looking like. Starting off strong, we have a product from Tarte. I really like their Lights Camera Lashes mascara. It's pretty nice. But this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream. And this is what she's looking like. We have the color mauve, okay, a nice mauve. Ooh, pretty. I like this packaging. Let's see how much we get. Okay, I mean, it's not that much. Now, this is a full size. I don't understand what all of this is for if we're getting this much product. Like, I'm sorry, but that is just a waste of packaging. Brands are gonna do what brands do. But this is nice. I'm not mad to have her. I'm happy to have her. We got something from your girl Fenty. Okay, Fenty Beauty, Rihanna in the house. Gang, gang, gang. And this is what it is. It's a perfume. I guess this is just like their signature scent because I don't see a name. Hopefully it don't stank. Riri looked like she don't stank, but you never know. So yeah, I think this is just the classic scent for Fenty. Ooh, okay. That actually smells really good. Now it does smell very perfumey, but it's like, it's almost a little bit sweet and a little spicy at the same time. And then also kind of floral. Like it's just, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm not really too big into fragrances yet, okay? It's part of my journey. I will be into fragrances. And I've been collecting them since I've been getting these different subscription boxes. But this one is really nice and I'm super excited to like put this on, you know, with nothing else on and just like kind of wear it around and see how it wears on my skin. But so far, it smells really good. The next item that I have here is the Get Dreamy Overnight Toning Body Whip. And this is by Meili's or Meili's. This is what it looks like. And you know what's crazy? I actually heard about this on Instagram like not too long ago. It's supposed to help you with like loose skin. Now I'm not going to open this up right away. I want to save this for when I lose the weight. I'm not super massively big, but there is a possibility, like given I had kids and all this other stuff, there's a possibility I might have some loose skin. So I will try this out once I lose the weight and I will let y'all know if it overnightly tones my body. Okay, so we will try this out later on. And like I said, everything's been happening like when it's supposed to happen. Like I got this product because I truly was going to need her by the end of the year and they want to make sure I had her. The next thing is going to be the Florence by Mills. I think this is Millie Bobby Brown. And this is the Hit Snooze Lip Mask. This is what the box is looking like. Ooh, it smells really good and it almost looks a little jelly. I've been at war with my crusty dusties for like the longest. I'm gonna really start putting in more effort. Lately, what I've been doing, I've been using the P. Louise lip conditioner balm thingy. It's really thick and it has like a slight tingle to it. I've been using that to kind of work with my lips and make my lips a little bit softer. So far, I mean, it's helping. It's definitely helping, but I do have to get back to exfoliating. Next, we have from Ren Clean Skincare, and I love me some Ren Clean Skincare, and this is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Now, I have so many eye creams, it's absolutely ridiculous, but yeah, it's just a cute little something. I love this packaging because I get to see how much product I have, and it's so satisfying watching it just like go up until you get to that last part, and then you're like, dang, I need to re-up. I need more products. We have a cuticle cream by Pomay. I think that's how you say that, Pomay. I'm getting into doing my own nails. I am going to start doing my own nails, and this will probably be something that comes in clutch. And it's just like a nice little cuticle nail cream to help your nails feel nice and soft and smooth. Maria Nyla, we've been getting a lot of her stuff, and this is the True Soft Argan Oil Softening Hair Oil. I'm gonna just see a little something right now. This is what it looks like. It's very thick. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in my hair right now and just see if it adds a little something to the look. It smells really good. I mean, I can't really tell much of a difference on my hair. Maybe this is something that I have to kind of put in like more individually as opposed to like just running it through my hair. Or maybe this is something I just have to use over time to see results. The last thing in here is from Grown Alchemist. I know the packaging from anywhere. Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Day Cream. This is what she's looking like. Just a little cream you can put on, I think, for your just face. You put it on your face, or is it for the body? Body. Apply every morning on dry skin. Oh, I guess you could just put this all over your body, but it's super tiny. So I would probably just use this as like a moisturizer. It has a nice metal safety seal, and then you have to like open it up with the cap. I love that, okay? I love knowing nobody's been in my stuff. That was everything in my little gifts, okay? My gift for signing up for the subscription. This is the May box, okay? She's a little old, but she's not out, okay? And this is the first item. It is the Barbour Ampule Concentrate, and this is the Hydra Plus. They gave us a little sample, so we got one. I think when you buy it full size, you get like 8 vials or something like that. So we get to just try it. I do wish we got, you know, more than just this, because let's be so for real, you're not gonna see a difference using this one time. Like, it's just, it doesn't work that way. Your skin does not work that way. But I'm happy to have the experience, okay? I'm always happy to have the experience. We have some packets, which not a fan of, but these are the Eva NYC Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. I might have to use this on baby girl's hair, because how is this gonna work on all of this? It's not. I have too much hair, and that's not gonna do it for me. Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray, and this is what she looks like. The cure for flat hair. I don't think flat is ever gonna be a problem for your girl, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get any use out of this. I don't think I'm gonna get any use out of this, so I might see if I can give that away to somebody else. We have the House Labs by Lady Gaga in the color Guava. Ooh, okay, I like this. It's like a frosted glass. Okay, it's very cute. Ooh, you saw that? It was juicy. Oh my God, I think I just got some on my nose. Oh no, honey. I think I got some on my, I know I got some on my nose. It feels good. I would have to wear this on a naked lip to see if it actually does something for your girl. We'll see. But I mean, it feels good. I can say that. Let me go get this off of my nose, because what the heck? You can still kind of see it, but I mean, it's okay. We're almost done. It's almost late in the night. I just gotta, you know, do my little last minute things, and I can take all of this off of my face. The next thing we have is by Elemis, and I love me some Elemis. They have some really nice products. This is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Face. It's just like a little overnight something that you put on your skin to make your skin a little bit more plump. I don't really have any issues with stuff like this, but it's always nice to try. So this is cool. I feel like I just got this. Okay, so we have another Fenty perfume. I believe this is the same one that I just got. Yeah, it's literally the same one. So your girl has 2. I won't have to re-up for a very long time because I have a backup. Awesome. Okay, we have backups, honey. The next thing is by Aceology. I've had this before. It's really nice. It works beautifully. It just leaves your lips a little bit sticky, but I mean, you can remedy that with like a lip oil or like, you know, a warm towel and then putting a lip oil over. And this is the Passion Fruit Refining Lip Scrub. This stuff smells so good. It smells sweet. It's literally amazing. And it's expensive. Okay, she expensive. The last thing in here is by Fenty. Okay, Fenty Beauty. And this is a blush. Okay, and I got the color Sundress Season. I wanted one of these blushes so bad, and I'm happy that I have one. We love Rihanna in this household. We do not say her name in vain. Okay, it comes like this. It's so cool. It's so cute. This is the packaging. I think that is so pretty. Boom. That is gorgeous. Very, very cute. I love this packaging. It's so much fun. If you wanted this Fenty blush, it's gonna run you $28. This House Labs by Lady Gaga Hybrid Lip Glaze in Guava. This is gonna run you $26. The next item is this Elemis Peptide Plumping Pillow. Sorry, it's a little wobbly because baby girl keeps hitting my stand. This is going to run you $75 for 50 mil, and we have 15 here. So this is just a little sample, but this is expensive. Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken Lift Spray. This is going to run you $24 for 150 mil. We got 50 mil here for like, you know, little sample, travel size sample. This Aceology lip scrub, this is going to run you $29. You can't get me to buy this for $29, but guess what I will do? I'll get the Allure box and get it in there for a severe discount. And then we have these Barbour ampules. Depending on which one you get, this can either be $50, $45, or $35 for 14 milliliters. We are given 2. And then last but definitely least, because it's a little foil packet, we have the Eva NYC shampoo and conditioner. And if you wanted the full size, it would be $28. I made out like a bandit. I got some makeup, I got some skincare, I got some perfume, I got everything. So I'm super excited to try these products out. We will have some try-ons later on. I'm excited. I'm enjoying this road to femininity. I started at the beginning of 2024 trying to find my femininity, and then I kind of lost my way again. But this time, full throttle. I am full throttle towards my feminine energy, and I'm here for it. Okay, I'm gonna lose the weight. I'm going to refine how I speak. I'm going to show more effort and care in how I present myself. It's a little daunting at first, and you feel a little sad about like letting yourself go. I'm gonna look at this as like a fun journey. Like this can be fun. Finding my femininity, finding myself in femininity, embracing that classy woman that's underneath all this rough, tough exterior. So yeah, y'all, that was everything in my Allure haul. I guess it's a haul at this point because it was like 3 boxes. I will see y'all for the next one. I think I have my Glam bag should be here shortly. If you like this content, engage with it, okay? Give your girl a like, share the video, leave a comment. The more you engage with my content, the more it gets pushed out into the algorithm for more people to enjoy. So thank you in advance, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.